Welcome to Skagway, Alaska. I'm John, and this is Skagway Daily, sharing a glimpse into daily life in this unique town. It's a gorgeous day, and I'd like to share some of the sights and sounds. Here's a listen. It's Sunday, January 8th. The birds are out and excited. They're chirping and singing. The river is rushing below. It's a beautiful morning. 40 degrees Fahrenheit, about 4 degrees Celsius again. Morning started with a sunrise that lit the fjord with orange fire. The mountains were luminescent white. The sun came out and we played in these warm rays. Horses were ridden and pictures were taken. It was a wonderful, wonderful hours. As the sun hid behind the peaks again, we remarked on how cold we felt. The temperature is still above 35 degrees, but we were shocked by the coldness of the shadows after the warmth of light. The sunset stretched on forever, getting more and more spectacular as it progressed, the orange fading to pinks and purples, the colors reflecting off this channel, still as glass. These moments are special and beyond explanation in their beauty. It is something better to experience. Thank you for liking and subscribing, as always. I hope you enjoy these glimpses into our little town. I'm sharing a video each day as we go from an idyllic, secluded, quiet town to the #1 cruise stop in Alaska.